Hello, I'm doing a video practicing one song called Save the Last Dance for Me on ukulele. I'm just teaching myself, learning from YouTube now. So I dare to make mistakes, so please forgive me. And I couldn't make a live one on Facebook because I couldn't find the button to press. So I'm just doing a short video, okay? Bear with me. So back to how do I get rid of the face of here? How do I get rid of it? I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, just try, okay? Try. This one is a different ukulele I'm using. This is the concert one, Mozart. You can dance, you can dance with the guy who gives you the eye. You can let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. Darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music's fine like sparkling wine. Go and have your fun. Laugh and sing, but while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Okay, where is it now? Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can you feel it when we touch? I will never, never let you go, 'cause I love you all so much. Okay, you can dance. Carry on, the night is gone, and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, if he asks if you're all alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. So darling, save the last dance for me. You can dance with the guy who gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in some you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, don't you know? Oh. When the music's fine like sparkling wine, go and have your fun. Laugh and sing, while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in some you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can you feel it when we touch? I will never, never let you go, 'cause I love you all so much. You can dance, you can carry on till the night is gone, and it's time to go. If he asks if you're alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in some you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. So darling, save the last dance for me. So darling. Cha! Okay, bye. Today is a Friday night. Have fun. Bye, everybody. Peace and be good.